Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best 2013 Honda Civic LED headlights is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your vehicle, transforming not only its aesthetic appeal with a modern, crisp look but also significantly enhancing your visibility and safety on the road, especially during nighttime driving or in adverse weather conditions, ensuring you can navigate with greater confidence and clarity. Number 5. Marsauto 9006 HB4 Fog Bulb. Experience a more comfortable nighttime drive with natural, daylight white light. Give your car an instant style upgrade with a modern, high-end look. Installation is a breeze thanks to the mini base design. No modifications are needed, saving you time and providing more space for a hassle-free setup. Enjoy significantly higher visibility compared to other bulbs. This ensures that road signs and markings are clearly visible, even in challenging weather conditions. Our ultra-thin chips provide a wider illumination range than traditional options. This allows you to see more of your surroundings, enhancing safety on any road. Designed with an aviation-grade heatsink, these bulbs maintain brightness with minimal loss. They offer superior heat dissipation for an impressive lifespan of up to 52,000 hours. What we like. This option offers a natural daylight white light for comfortable night driving and an instant style upgrade. Its plug-and-play design ensures a quick and easy installation. If you're looking for a straightforward upgrade that enhances visibility and aesthetics without complex modifications, this is a great choice. What people say. At 14,000 LM, these things are incredibly bright and cast a crisp, 6500K cool white light that makes the road much easier to see. It was a true plug-and-play experience that took less than 10 minutes with no flickering or error codes. Super bright compared to what it had took 5 minutes to install. Looks great, nice bright white color. Number 4. Termitor 9005-9006 Light Bulbs Combo. Experience exceptional road illumination with our powerful 120,000 lumen output. These bulbs are 15 times brighter than standard halogen bulbs, ensuring enhanced visibility and safer driving in all conditions. Enjoy crystal clear visibility with pure white light that provides excellent color contrast. This optimal color temperature reduces eye strain and creates daylight-like illumination for improved object recognition. These bulbs feature exact mini halogen dimensions that match original specifications. They install seamlessly into your vehicle's factory housings without modifications, maintaining proper beam patterns. Equipped with integrated cooling fans, these bulbs effectively dissipate heat during operation. This ensures consistent performance and an extended lifespan, preventing overheating issues. Enjoy a complete 4-pack solution for an immediate upgrade. The simple plug-and-play design requires no wiring modifications or special tools, making installation quick and straightforward. What we like. Experience unparalleled road illumination with an incredible 120,000 lumens, making it 15x brighter than standard bulbs. The 6500K cool white light reduces eye strain and improves object recognition. If you demand the absolute brightest light for maximum visibility in all conditions and appreciate advanced cooling for longevity, this combo pack is for you. What people say. Installation took 5 to 10 minutes, and distance performance is as advertised. These are a lot brighter than the last set of LED bulbs I had installed. Makes driving at night much safer. I really like the brightness and focus of the lights, the low beams are so good I hardly flick over to the high beams. Direct fit. Plug and play bundle super bright, very happy. Number 3. DWVO Headlight Assembly for 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic. Upgrade your 2012 to 2015 Civic with these sleek black housing headlights. They are designed to fit both sedan and coupe models, ensuring a perfect match for your vehicle. Experience improved visibility with integrated metallized reflectors. These headlights extend light distance, enhancing safety during dusk and nighttime driving. Our fully sealed design prevents moisture buildup, ensuring reliable performance in rain, snow, or dusty conditions. Drive with confidence, no matter the weather. Built with tough polycarbonate lenses and a high-impact housing, these headlights resist road debris and impacts. They are designed to withstand the rigors of off-road adventures. These come as a pair, including both the driver and passenger side. While professional installation is recommended, they are designed for a direct replacement. What we like. This headlight assembly features a sleek black housing for a modern look and improved illumination with integrated metallized reflectors. It's fully weather sealed to protect against moisture. If you're looking to give your Civic a sportier aesthetic while ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions, this black housing option is ideal. What people say. Bolts on. Fits nicely. Makes the car look so much better. Great quality and look great on my car. The outside fitment looks great. They were easy to install on my '98 Civic hatchback. Number 2. DWVO headlights for Civic Sedan and Coupe. Ensure a perfect fit for your 2012 to 2015 Civic Sedan or 2012 to 2013 Civic Coupe. These are designed to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's existing setup. Experience significantly improved illumination thanks to integrated metallized reflectors. This enhances your light distance, boosting visibility and driving safety, especially in low-light conditions. Our fully sealed structure, reinforced with solid silicone, effectively prevents moisture buildup. You can rely on their performance through rain, snow, or dust storms. Constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses and a high-impact housing, these are built to withstand road debris and impacts. They offer superior protection and can handle the shocks and vibrations of off-road adventures. These are designed as direct replacements for your original headlights. They come as a pair, including both the driver and passenger sides, though professional installation is recommended. What we like. This assembly offers a classic chrome housing with an amber reflector for improved visibility and a distinct look. Its durable polycarbonate lenses and high-impact housing provide excellent protection against road debris. If you prefer a traditional aesthetic with enhanced safety features and robust construction, this chrome housing assembly is a solid pick. What people say. Bolts on. Fits nicely. Makes the car look so much better. Great quality and look great on my car. Excellent fit and finish. Number 1. Autosaver 88 headlights for Civic. Upgrade your 2012 to 2015 Civic Sedan or 2012 to 2013 Civic Coupe with these headlights. They are designed for a perfect fit, ensuring a seamless replacement for your original lamps. Don't worry about the elements. These are fully sealed and designed with vents to keep moisture out, preventing corrosion and ensuring clarity in any weather. Experience enhanced visibility with brighter lighting. The advanced reflectors cast a broader and smoother beam, illuminating the road ahead more effectively. Stay safe on the road with integrated safety reflectors. These help oncoming traffic and pedestrians see you clearly at night, improving overall safety. Built to last, these feature a tough housing and polycarbonate lens. They are highly resistant to shock and vibration, ready for any driving condition. For optimal performance and fit, professional installation is highly recommended. Ensure your new lights are installed correctly for maximum benefit. What we like. Enjoy brighter lighting with metallic parabolic reflectors for a broader beam and a safety reflector to increase visibility to oncoming traffic. It's fully waterproof and designed with one-way vents to prevent moisture buildup. If your priority is enhanced driving safety through better illumination and increased conspicuity, especially at night or in adverse weather, this assembly is a great option. What people say. The material, fit, and finish are on par with OEM assemblies and the light pattern is exactly as it should be. It's a good product, it meets all the specifications and fits well for my 2013 Honda Civic. These headlights have taken my driving experience from squint and hope for the best to hello, world, I can see everything. The installation was smoother than my attempts to parallel park. Now, night driving is a whole new adventure. I can actually see the road ahead without straining my eyes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.